Hi guys, and welcome to another useful video. Today is a super exciting day because we have the Lemfo Lem10 in the building. This is the 3 gig 32 gigabyte version, and this is a true competitor to the Apple Watch, and you'll see why in just 1 second. So you have the usual Lemfo box. Once you open up the Lemfo box, you'll understand why this is a true Apple Watch competitor. At first glance, this looks identical to the Apple Watch. You really couldn't tell it apart. Comes with a very nice fabric strap. It's kind of like a sports strap with these metal buckles at the end that hold it on to the watch. You can see the little Velcro tabs that you can use to adjust the strap. As for the watch itself, the main thing that pops out at me, guys, is this camera up here. Now this camera should be great for taking video calls or for doing those Zoom meetings or Google Duo videos. It's got a similar scroll wheel on the side to the Apple Watch. It's got a selector here. On this side, it's got the SIM card slot and I believe a speaker hole. This would be the microphone up there. Again, the camera, heart rate monitor, charging port. As far as the weight of the watch, it actually feels pretty light, and I think that has a lot to do with having such a light fabric strap. The strap barely weighs anything. The watch feels pretty good quality so far, so we'll set it aside and see what else we get in the package. So we have the magnetic charging port right there. That's built specifically for the watch. We have a SIM card screwdriver for the SIM card. We have the user manual, a bunch of different languages, English, German, Russian, and Spanish. Tells you how to do all of the basic functions of the watch right there. And finally, you have a screen protector, which is very useful and something that is really awesome that they include. But this is just a quick open box review of the Lemfo Lem10. I'm super excited about this watch. It's another great brand new watch for us to try out and see how we like it. This is the standard, I guess, silver gray, almost smoky gray color. I think it's a very attractive watch, and I'm super excited to test it out. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. And guys, don't forget, we're going to have a full review on this watch very shortly. Take care.